Hello everybody. There are many excellent videos out there on how to replace window and door screen. I'm not going to bore you with any of the same material you can watch elsewhere. However, if you're replacing your standard screens with either solar screen or pet screen, you know that the pet screen and solar screen are much heavier than the original material. I have some 17-year-old screens. Some are torn, but particularly the ones on the southern exposure side of my house are badly deteriorated, so I'm going to replace those. The solar screen that I'm going to be using is a much heavier material, and pet screen is the same thing. It's very heavy, it's very durable, does not tear very easily, but the material is thicker, and therefore getting it into the frame with the existing spline can be a little bit challenging. So what I like to do is the following. Step one, if you're going to reuse your old spline, after you get it out, get all the dirt off of it. So just wipe it down with a damp cloth. Then I like to get a small bucket, put a little bit of soapy water in there, and put the spline in the soapy water. Do not soak it for a long period of time. You don't want your splines to absorb moisture if they're really old and expand. So just submerge them in some soapy water, and you'll find that installing your old splines in your existing frames, but with thicker material, will go much easier. So this trick works really well, especially if you're using thicker material to replace the original screens. The soapy water makes it go in so much easier. It also works if you're going to just be replacing old screens with new screen material that's about the same thickness. So thanks for watching. How about subscribing to my channel or give me a thumbs up?